every day, or when they go get food for their babies, or definitely for their stuff and hunt, then they kind of sit back in their nest and give the mamas food to them, and then they get tomatoes and bring it back, and that's the mom's food, which means in the garden, and that bird is going to eat in your garden every day. That means every day the tomatoes.
Hey. Yeah.
And which means the probably birds are just going to eat tomatoes, or rat or blackbirds are going to eat snails, because birds are pretty delicate, or not. They're pretty not done for it. Then they get the double couch. Then they sit in their nest.